We're going na to the restaurant. We're going on because everybody's hungry. And check-in pa sa cottage is 2 p.m. So we're gonna libot-libot anay. The lunch is here, you guys. These are theirs. 3 of them ordered the same thing. Siblings goals. And here's mommy, auntie girl. Guys, the difference. What walang abi kuya? Like the sige, go! Push natin to. Wala pa siya katindog, guys. Oh, none. Wala pa siya katindog. Oh, alright. Na-fall na siya. Hello! Cheers! The girls here, guys, at the other table. Because we can't fit. We are done with lunch. So, magsuri-suri muna kami since ang among cottage, we can check in mag 2 o'clock pa. So, it's like 1:15, 1:16. So, we're gonna suri-suri first. I'm with Dana and Denver. And Dane and Auntie Girl. So, we're going to check out the whole place. As if first time nagkanto di. Here's the small pool, guys. Not so small, but wow, small para sa ila, ha. Ay! Dora! Dora! Back at the entrance because they want to take pictures. And Auntie Girl didn't do her intro video. She forgot kanina, so... You're in Mambuka! We're now going back. Wow! Here we are at the Suba, guys. It goes all the way up there. And it goes all the way down there. Super nice. Here's the big pool, guys. We're at the big pool, you guys. That's how it looks like.
20 more minutes.
We're resting for a little bit, guys, but this is our view. Here's the view, guys. Asa tamaan to, Vicky? Girl, bigyan na lang tayo.
Bigyan ko. Siya drive. Siya gamla mo. Nagit kamot yun.
Hi guys, we're now going to the... Daddy Don's gonna do massage. Si Auntie mag-massage man? Yes, and then kami, maado kami sa hot spring. Wow, waterfalls. Where the hiking begins, pero closed siya today.
Because it's really, really tiring.
Charin.
And it's not worth it.
It's a while.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Ayun na, diri na si Daddy Don magpaspa. We're gonna go to the dipping pool. Diri ta? Yeah. And here's Panachra just beside it. For later lang kami, mag-nighttime lang. No makeup look tayo for today kasi kakasya na tanan later. Dipping pool na, guys. Yes! And here's my fit. 10, 10 being the highest.
7.
7.
I'd say 8.
Dane is 8. So, mommy. 9 kay mommy. For me, I'd also say like a solid 7. So, matakas na kami because we wanna go to the pool. 7, little 8, little 9, little duckies. We're now on the way to the pool. Because di na naman carry. Dili na naman carry. It's very, very hot. Would you rather sa beach or sa mountains? Beach.
Big.
Ay, naalala ko sa sunrise ko. Okay lang kung namin yung
For swimming.
kung ano.
Mama Dawn.
Namin yung ocean. Pwede both.
Dane said na for pictures, beach. For swimming experience, mountains. 1, 2, 3. Auntie girl is putting on her, what do you call that? Earplugs. So she can swim with us. We're just gonna continue swimming for a while, guys, before we go back sa cottage. So here's everyone right now. And here's mommy. Bye-bye. Guys, me and mommy are on the way para magpa-massage. It's a little bit dark, but not like super dark. We are here at Spa Natural. So nice. Happy. Just finished the massage. Very nice. I look really sleepy now. The massage is nice. Hi. We're back in our room. Going home now. Bye-bye, Zippy. Bye-bye. This is gonna be the end. Bye, guys. Hindi ka i-add ko ni sa vlog ko yan. Excuse me.
Tapos di tayo bus.
Ako gali ang day.
Alright.
The Labrador.
We are in Pukan right now, you guys. Hi, the girls. Ha? gonna eat dinner. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought later. Go. Hindi pwede si Dana mapa-acting katawas. And then the couple. Pero ako tubag guys. Asan na yung ako? I'm all alone. I don't have a pair of just. This is what I got guys. I bought something from Uniqlo. I got this. Then in Watsons I got I joke pero and then that's all. Wow, ay ng pachero guys. Pwede ka na sa pachero mo. Ay ng calamares and lechon kawali. Kawali? Kawali. Yes. Yes. I got plain mayo. Tapos bilang calamares is I don't like it. Piercingan ko sa baba, guys. We're here because Dana wants one. So you can get that. Thank you. Happy na? Taste test. Okay. Hamit na.
Siyempre yogurt sa aslo.
Yeah. Gusto de leche.
Yeah,
Are you ready to say goodbye?
Don't say goodbye.
Today is Auntie Girl's last night here in Bacolod. Yes, everything is divided. So we're in H&M. We're gonna lag for a bit. We're done. Arkida na. Show mine. And press. Here's our aftercare, guys.
Doon nagpagantos lang.
We're done na with our piercings. Hindi, medyo masakit siya, pero it's okay.